Putins Killers, Russia's 5 most powerful weapons for sale. Welcome to this channel. Army Vision is a YouTube channel that explores the most powerful and lethal weapons on the planet. Whether it's military hardware, nuclear weapons, or other high-end military products, Putins Killers has them all. Learn about Russia's top 5 most powerful weapons for sale in the world. Subscribe to this channel for more exclusive information. Putins Killers for sale are Russia's 5 most powerful weapons. Ever since Vladimir Putin became president of Russia in 2000, the country has been shrouded in secrecy. Putin has been known for his ruthless tactics, employing hit squads to assassinate his enemies both at home and abroad. In recent years, Russia has made a concerted effort to expand its weapon sales business. Putin's Killers are some of the most fearsome and powerful weapons on the market. When it comes to weapons, Russia is no slouch. The country has a long and storied history of producing some of the most fearsome and powerful weapons on the market. And it looks like President Vladimir Putin is keen to expand the country's weapon sales business. For many years, Putin has been at the helm of Russian armaments exports, and it appears to be working. Russian weaponry exports hit a new high of $18 billion last year. Putin has been a major force behind this expansion. Putin has been a strong advocate for the Russian arms industry, and he has been successful in increasing exports and expanding Russia's market share. In addition to this, Putin has also been working to make Russia a major player in the global arms market. Here are 5 of Russia's deadliest killers and the countries where they're most in demand. The S-300 missile system. The S-300 missile system is a Russian-made surface-to-air missile system that entered service in the late 1980s. The S-300 has been exported to over 30 countries and is one of the most advanced air defense systems in the world. The S-300 is capable of engaging aircraft, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles. It can also be used in a point defense role to protect important installations such as airfields, ports, and nuclear power plants. The S-300 PMU-1, otherwise called the SA-20 Gargoyle, is an exceptionally progressed air safeguard framework that can connect with airplanes, journey rockets, and long-range rockets. It has been sent by the Russian military beginning around 2004. The S-300 PMU-1 can distinguish and follow up to 100 focuses at a time and can catch up to 12 airplanes for 16 long-range rockets. It has a scope of as much as 200 kilometers, which is 124 miles, and can connect with focuses as high as 27 kilometers, which is 17 miles in elevation. Let's look into this and communicate. The Sukhoi Su-35 Fighter Jet. The Sukhoi Su-35 is a Russian-made twin-engine fighter jet that made its debut in 2007. It was originally designed as an upgrade to the Su-27 but has since become a stand-alone aircraft. The Su-35 is considered one of the most advanced 4th-generation fighters in the world. The Su-35 has a variety of distinguishing characteristics that make it a dangerous aerial adversary. It has a top speed of Mach 2.25, a range of 3,400 kilometers, and the ability to carry armaments weighing up to 8,000 pounds. It also has the most advanced stealth technology, making it extremely difficult to detect. It can also be equipped with a variety of weapons, making it a dangerous adversary. There are 2 versions of the plane. The conventional variant has a 120 HP engine and is designed to carry wings that are 4 feet wide. A version with a 150 HP engine and winglets is also available. This video will go through the fundamentals of the plane, such as maintenance and repairs, as well as some of the pointers on how to get the most out of it. The Sukhoi is a single-seat, low-wing plane that looks similar to a glider. It has a 17-foot wingspan, 5.2 meters. The plane's structure is the edges of the box beam. That means there are no true longitudinal members in the design, all members including propellers and transfers. The plane therefore looks like a cross between a glider and a small airplane. Fun fact, no one knew if plastics would ever be able to withstand the test of time until the late 1960s. The Ju-52 3.0 powered by propeller was one of the earliest planes to fly in history. It was a remarkable engineering marvel when it was debuted in 1921. Let's have a discourse about it as well. The T90 Tank. The T90 Tank is a strong weapon that has been utilized by the Russian military for more than 20 years. It was first presented in 1993 and has seen many overhauls from that point forward. The T90 is, as of now, the most progressive tank in the Russian arms stockpile. The T90 is a main battle tank designed and manufactured by Russia that has been in service since the early 1990s. It is the Russian military's most advanced tank, and it has seen actions in various recent battles. The T90 is very popular in other countries, and it has been sold to various Middle Eastern and Asian countries. The T90 is a powerful tank that has proven itself in action. It is armed with a powerful 125mm gun and a sophisticated fire control system that allows it to hit targets while traveling at high speeds. Advanced armor protects the T90, allowing it to withstand even the most powerful anti-tank weapons. Since the early 1990s, the T90 has been in service with the Russian army. India, Algeria, and Azerbaijan are among the nations to which it has been exported. Let's have a chat about it. The Iskander missile system. The Iskander missile system is a Russian-made, highly advanced, short-range ballistic missile system. It is designed to destroy targets such as enemy aircraft, armored vehicles, and missile launchers. The Iskander has a range of 500 kilometers and can carry either a conventional or nuclear warhead. The Iskander missile system has been in development since the early 1990s and was first deployed in 2006. It has been used in several military conflicts, most notably the Syrian civil war. As of 2019, there are estimated to be around 200 Iskander missile systems in service for the Russian military, with a further 200 available for export. Eurasia Group estimates that the Chinese military has around 150 Iskander missiles and that the Indian military has about $43.4 billion worth of orders for the system. The US military recently recognized the Chinese firm Naval Group as a potential acquirer of the platform, though the two countries are believed to be mutually exclusive. The Iskander is a mobile, short-range system that can strike targets with a wide range of capabilities. Its standard armament is a conventional payload of submunitions or small bombs, which the owner state canisters and disperses. Other potential payloads include nuclear warheads to meet various needs of the owner's state. Let's have a debate about it as well. The Caliber cruise missile. The Caliber was created by the Russian organization Caliber. The main Voyage missiles were created during the 1950s. The expression Voyage was authored to portray the sluggish supported trip of the Su organic meter, an instrument used to gauge how much oxygen is in a blood test. The first cruise missile was fired from a tube. In the 1960s, the technology was elaborated by adding a powered flight stage. This powered flight stage is so important for the accuracy of a cruise missile that it is considered one of the 7 technologies that will change the world. The masses of the early cruise missiles were very low, around 1,000 pounds. The size limits of carryable objects in NASA's space shuttle was extreme, and the technology was abandoned in 1967. However, the concept of a cruise missile with intense maneuvering capabilities and limited payloads was retained. In the decades that followed, the design of cruise missiles grew into a large industry. Companies like Bell Aircraft, Convair, Republic, and Lockheed Martin fixtures, which are now part of the other flexible plastic fund, continue to develop the technology. The ordinary cruise missile is designed to be used by a single person, unlike the space shuttle, which was built to be serviced by a small group of people. As a result, the technology is extremely risky and has only been used in large-scale exercises until recently. Come on, let's communicate approximately now. Like, share, and subscribe now.